Let's talk about what they don't tell us as small creators. Hey y'all, my name's Quana. In today's video, I just want to talk with y'all about some tips, tricks, and tools that I have recently learned about that I'm going to be using to help grow my channel and also just make content creation a little bit easier. If you're also a small creator and you have tips and tricks that you would like to share, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to learn from you. Let us learn from each other. Let's get into it. So, number one, you can earn money as a small creator. For me, I literally just like a couple months ago got to 1,000 subscribers. I'm still not qualified to be monetized on YouTube, and I've still been able to earn money. So obviously for YouTube, there's 3 things that you have to meet in order to be able to monetize your channel. One of those being that you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, you have to have at least 4,000 watch hours, and what's the other one? So yeah, my channel is not monetized. However, I've still been able to earn money from doing YouTube videos. One, by brand collaborations. So the issue for me had always been not knowing like if I could charge brands and how much to charge brands. So I have a tool in a minute that I'm gonna share that's gonna really help if you need to figure out how much to charge brands. Like literally I only had like 500, 600 subscribers and I was still getting emails and messages from different brands asking to collaborate and do videos with them. So it really doesn't matter if you have 1 million subscribers or if you have 100. Like there are still companies that would like to work with you. Brands will be more than willing to send you free products, but also maybe pay you. So again, I'll share with y'all the tool that I've used that's helped me figure out exactly how much I should charge brands or about the range that I should charge them. But for now, let's get into the second way that you can earn money, which is through affiliate marketing. So I recently learned about affiliate marketing and I was like, oh my gosh, like how have I not known about this? So for me, most of my content is beauty, hair, makeup related. So a lot of times I include links to say like, these are the products I'm using. This is where I got these wigs. This is where I got this, that, and the third. Not knowing that this whole time I could have been using affiliate marketing to make money. So recently I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. And so now anytime I am doing my hair, I am doing my makeup, or I'm using different things lifestyle related, doing home decor, whatever it may be, I am able to include links that actually can earn me money. So instead of me doing like I have in the past and just, you know, saying, oh yeah, this is where I got this product. Now, anytime someone watches one of my videos and decides they want to go buy that product, I can earn money from it. It's a super easy way to do it. I applied on Amazon. Again, I have very low audience across YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of the things, and I still was able to be an affiliate for Amazon, and I'm still able to use that to make money. There are hundreds of other ones that you can use, but yeah, if you have a small channel but you use products a lot that you link, you need to be signed up for an affiliate program so that you can actually earn commission off of those. You're out here basically doing free promotion when there's a potential for you to actually earn money from that promotion. The second tip is to utilize tools. There are so many free tools that are also upgradable that content creators can use to, you know, make their content a little bit easier for editing, for thumbnails, for analytics, for tagging, SEO, all of these things. There are so many free tools that you can use that can really just level up your content as a whole and again, make it a lot easier for you to do certain things. One of them that I want to share with you today is SocialBook. If you have not heard of SocialBook, SocialBook is an integrated platform with social tools for content creators and brands. Now, one thing that I really like about SocialBook is that you really could just use SocialBook and get so many different tools just from that. Now, there are other little things that I have used, but had I known about SocialBook earlier, I probably would have just used that instead of having so many different accounts across different platforms. As I was saying, SocialBook has various tools that can be used. So they have a cartoonizer, they have LinkOne, which I'll actually show you all how to use in just a minute. A background remover, tag research, analytics, thumbnail maker, lots of things going on there. So definitely recommend that. But 2 things that I'm going to show you from SocialBook today are LinkOne, which is basically a platform that you can create like basically a little web page, kind of like how people have in their TikTok accounts. They'll have like one link, and if you click on that one link, it'll show you their Instagram, their YouTube, their TikTok, whatever, their Twitter, Twitch, whatever platforms that they have. You can click it on that one link and see kind of a highlight of everything that they have. And then the second tool I'm going to show you all is the background remover tool. So they have a photo background remover and a video background remover. So I have manually for the longest time been going and editing my pictures to, you know how you have to just like outline yourself to remove the background. With this, you literally upload your picture or your video and it completely removes it for you within like a matter of seconds. Okay, y'all, so starting with LinkOne, which is what I talked about earlier, this is where you can create like your own little web page. So you open it up, it has all these different links. The first one under About Me is affiliate. So this is kind of something that I mentioned earlier. If you don't really know anything about affiliate marketing, this is a great way to start because it has all these different tabs and kind of its own affiliate marketing system within it. And then there's also all these other little things that you can change, like the style, the theme. You can check out analytics, etc. But this is the main part that you need to know. You can go in and upload your profile picture. Super simple. Change your profile title. I'm changing mine to my name, and then a simple bio, and then you'll see it update. And you can go ahead and check out a preview of that and then continue making changes as you go. So the next thing that you'll want to change are your links. I'm turning off Twitch and Twitter because I don't use those. And then I'm just going in and updating my YouTube URL as well as my TikTok URL and saving those. And it's really just that simple. You can also add featured posts. So if you have any posts that have been really popular, you can go and add those. I'm adding this curl formers video because that has been my most popular upload. So then it'll just add that right onto the page as well. And then as I mentioned, you can also customize your pages. So there's different themes, there's different colors. You can customize your buttons and change those to whatever you want them to be. Here I'm just gonna go ahead and utilize a template, and you see it change on the right, and then you can preview that again, and you can see it on an iPhone, an iPad, or just on a web page. And once you're done, you can see your QR code, or you can copy the URL to be able to share it on whatever you want to share it on. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all the background removers. So here I've just already picked a picture. It's the same one that I use as my background picture. And literally just upload it and click remove background and it does it. And then here I'm showing you this video. This is a wig video that I recorded in my bathroom, so I just wanted to see if it would remove the background. So yeah, you upload it, you click the preview button, and then it shows you your video, and you can decide whether or not you want to download it. Check the description below to see a link to SocialBook. Another tool that I have found to be really helpful is Tubebuddy. Now, what I like about Tubebuddy is that it is pretty much only focused on analytics and search engine optimization, or SEO. So with Tubebuddy, with the app, you know, it'll show you quick highlights of like how your recent videos are performing, or if you get a comment, you know, there's like things that you can see quickly there. But then when utilizing it actually on YouTube, you are able to like click on other people's videos and see their SEO scores, see what tags they've used, and be able to like copy from other creators' tags. That's been something that I've noticed in my last few videos. If I do go and copy the tags of someone who has done a similar video to me, and it's, you know, theirs has done well, it's helped my videos to get more traction that way. So definitely also recommend Tubebuddy. There's a free version of Tubebuddy that you can use, and then obviously you can also upgrade that as well. Those are the two tools that I would say have been super helpful for me. Tip number 3 that I have is to pay attention to the big creators in your niche. Now, I've been able to learn a good bit by just like watching videos that are like how to do this, how to do that. But something else that has really helped me, specifically when it comes to like equipment and filming and things like that, have just been to pay attention to creators in my niche. So again, my niche is more focused on like beauty. So I have looked into people like Melissa Ashley, Savannah Silver, Jalen Majette, Brianna Marie, Minnie Marley. Like these are creators who I have been able to go to their pages, specifically description boxes. Like people don't pay enough attention to the description boxes, but I have been able to like go under their posts and see like a lot of them will say, this is the camera I'm using, this is the editing software I'm using. And I had already invested all this money in things that I thought I needed for my channel. And now I have all this equipment that really hasn't been super helpful to me, but had I kind of done that research and looked into bigger creators first, I would have been able to see like a lot of them in my my niche use like Final Cut Pro to edit their videos. A lot of them use like the Canon 4 or, you know, different types of cameras, whether it be specifically for doing makeup videos or for vlogging. And those things would have really helped me had I known that before. So definitely pay attention to that. So another thing that I've been doing just as like a research thing has been to also watch those videos and pay attention to which ones I'm like actually engaged with, to the point that I'm watching them completely through. Look at them and think, what about their video makes you stay and watch the whole thing or subscribe? And how can I implement those same strategies into my video? That's not to say to copy their content, but what strategies are they using? Are they using text on the screen? Are they using video pop-ups? Are they bringing in different guests? Like, what is it that they're doing that's making you enjoy that content, and how does that apply to your niche? And then my last tip would be that consistency really is so important. And I'm preaching to myself on this one, because I will have, you know, a video that does really well, and then instead of like building on that video and continuing to post, I will literally like drop off the face of the earth for 3 months, which is my problem. So I've had my YouTube channel for like 2 years, maybe a little longer than 2 years. And I just got to my 60th video like yesterday, and probably about 10 or more of those are shorts, so they're not actual like full-length YouTube videos. So I think like once you have a video that does well, whether that be a short or like a full-length regular video, like building on that and saying like, okay, this is a good topic that I need to continue working towards, is a good thing to do. And again, I'm preaching at myself, because I probably could have grown a lot more than I have in these last 2 years, but I failed to be consistent. And then also just making sure that you're sharing your content across various platforms. So a lot of times, especially when it comes to YouTube Shorts, I'll share it on YouTube Shorts, I'll share it on Instagram, and I'll share it on TikTok. A lot of times TikTok doesn't do so well, but it may do really great on Instagram, or it may do really well on YouTube Shorts. And I found that for me, a lot of my audience will kind of like jump from platform to platform. So if they find me on, I forgot about Pinterest as well. They find me on Pinterest and then they come over to my YouTube and subscribe there. Or the same has happened with TikTok a couple of times. So, you know, just making sure that where you can repeat posts, do that, because that can help you grow as well. Anyways, that's really all the tips that I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you're a creator like me, I would love to hear from you. Any tools that you've used that have really helped you, made life easier, or either just helped you grow. And I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.